How to delete private server in Roblox. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete private servers that you've created on Roblox. So to get started, go ahead and open Roblox into your browser since there is no option for you to be able to delete private servers on the mobile app. So in here, go ahead and select the game where you have created a private server to. And then in here, go ahead and scroll down into the servers section. So select servers from here. And then in here, you'll be able to find the server where you're currently in and the servers that you have created. So click on the three dots at the top right of your server. So you'll be able to find a three dot at the top right of the server that you've created. And then from there, go ahead and select configure. And on the configure page, go ahead and click on the delete server button to be able to delete the server you've created on the specific game. Confirm the deletion and the server would be permanently removed from your Roblox account for the specific game. And that is how you can basically delete private servers on Roblox.